Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO T2 Pro, and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this general section we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on date and time. And as you can see, here we've got some options which are currently inactive. It is because we are using the automatic time and the time zone. So first of all, let's turn off both of those switchers, and now we can freely tap on date and choose it from this calendar. So simply find it, tap on it and tap on OK. The same situation with the time, just choose it from this clock, tap on OK, and it will be immediately applied. The same with the time zone, just tap on it, tap on the region, and here we've got the full list of available regions from which we can choose. So simply find yours and tap on it like that. And as you can see, it will be immediately applied. But of course, be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. Here you can also customize the time format. You can use local default or kind of manually decide whether you want to use 24-hour format, and in that case you should keep this option turned on, or 12-hour format. So simply tap on the switcher to turn it off and apply the 12-hour format. It's up to you. This is the manual customization of date and time, and of course if you want to, you can go back to all previous settings just by using the automatic options. Simply tap on those switchers. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.